What's crack-a-lackin'?
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel.
Well, and okay, well, what time is it right now? It's currently
It's like 10
p.m. Tuesday, August 4th. Did not work today because tomorrow's the big day. What are we doing tomorrow?
I'm moving the hell out.
Moving into Bella's first college apartment.
Yes, being an adult.
She's moving 45 minutes away from our parents' house to her own apartment with her best friend. So I'm here to help her out. My dad's in the background. Say hi, Dad.
Hello.
So we're just moving stuff today, and then tomorrow I'm off work and we're moving everything into her new apartment. So exciting stuff. Continue to vlog it. Bella, are you excited?
Yep, ready to get out. Ready to sweat more. I'm already sweating.
I don't know how much use I'm gonna be tomorrow, but I'll try my best. So
I'm not lifting all this myself.
we got the back of my mom's van loaded up. My dad again.
Hello.
Sister busy at work. Got more boxes. Then we got my car getting packed, getting loaded. I get the honor of carrying chairs. Yeah, the big stuff. So we're just gonna keep working at this, and hopefully by tomorrow morning we're all ready to go. Oh, why do I always walk into this? So messed up. I'm the oldest one and I'm freaking bullied around here.
You're the easiest to bully.
Oh, great.
P-A-N-T-S. Pants.
Oh. A lot of pants. What do you need help with?
Help.
Oh, the door?
Help.
Oh, so
when
now
she
you
said-
need my help.
When she says she's gonna help you and then she pulls out a camera and won't help you actually with anything.
Let me hold the door.
Wow, you're so nice. America's sweetheart.
Yeah, Bella, I gotta bleep this out now. Thanks for that.
Sorry. Not sorry.
You wanna tell the audience about how you got a new whip?
I crashed it.
I'm coming. Did you figure it out?
Feel like a grandma.
Yeah, that looks good. And then put like your bedding,
Yeah.
clothes, towels,
other
blankets, soft stuff, just in case anything falls on it. New whip.
Brand new whip just hopped in.
Disgusting.
Teamwork.
Yeah, teamwork. High five.
All right, today is the big day. My sister is moving, and we are leaving in 17 minutes officially. What else do you need to load, like big time? The fish tank?
Fish tank / the thing. Say hi to the YouTube channel.
Say hi to the audience, Jamie.
What up, YouTube?
See, I think me and Jamie would get along. We could vlog some together.
Do you want to vlog with my sister? She's insisting.
Oh, he gets.
You get brownie points.
Yeah, he gets brownie points.
They already like.
Okay, so my sister's already gone to go sign some paperwork for her new place, but I am loaded up in the back, already full, and I am just getting ready to head out to drive her stuff to her. So I will see you guys when I get there.
Hi, Tina.
Where are you?
So we're in the apartment right now. We have to deal with the electric stuff before we move stuff.
Okay, because I'm just sitting in the car by the entrance.
Okay, cool. That's fine.
How long will it take?
I don't know.
Okay.
Not that long.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Well, anyways, my sister just got her keys to her new apartment. Glad I could be here for my sister to help her because she was a lot of help moving me into my new apartment. So, you know, just return the favor. And hopefully it doesn't take all afternoon. But if it does, that's fine. I'm off work, so I got plenty of time to kill. Got all of Bella's stuff moved into the room now. Now my dad's just setting up the bed frame. I'm sweaty from walking up all those flights of stairs, but we're making progress. Happy moving day!
Happy moving day. Happy moving day.
Update. Got the bed set up. Bella, Lauren, working on, what are you working on?
Nightstand.
Nightstand. And I put together a rolling cart by myself in the back. That's me, what I did. My dad's working on a TV stand. Hi, Dad. Cute. You want a
TV stand?
for your bed?
Body pillow. Little pillows.
Oh, pillows.
My
And she has a little
nightstand.
nightstand. Oh, the TV stand is done too.
Yes, and then I have my desk, and then
Then closed and back and almost completely moved in. Where are you gonna put your desk? Are you put your desk right here?
right here.
Oh, the desk. Should we move this?
Yeah, we need to move that. Okay. It's late.
You got your little cubby thing.
Wait. Muévete. Look. Mira, are you ready?
Oh,
wait,
that's cute.
just wait. Bow. Bling.
Cute.
Blow. Bling. Blow. Hey.
That turns out nice.
Hey. Hey.
Oh, we gotta put the desk chair up.
Is it cute? What do you think?
Right, I'm gonna head out because I have a few more things I need to get done today before it gets too dark out. This is all the progress we made on my sister's apartment. She's just got a few more boxes to unpack and then she will be completely moved in. Yes, I am leaving.
Okay.
Belly and Laurel. Bye, Bella.
Stinky.
Are you kidding me?
Your armpit
You so you can grab me, but I can't grab you.
You smell. You
Bye,
smell
Bella.
disgusting. You smell disgusting.
Bye, Bella. Happy moving day.
You smell disgusting.
Let me know. Oh, I always walk into that. If I forget anything, let me know. I'm sure I'll be back here. You'll come up and see me. All right, everyone. I'm just finishing editing this video, but I realized I forgot to film an outro. So that is it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me help move my sister into her new apartment, as well as seeing my sister on my channel. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and turn on post notifications. And of course, if you want to see my sister in future videos, don't forget to comment those ideas below, and I'll make sure to have her back on my channel sometime soon. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.